In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload audio in Producer.ai with this full 2026 guide. To get started, open the Producer.ai website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, head to your dashboard and open the Compose page. This is the main workspace where you'll upload and work with your audio, so if you're new to the platform, this is the area to remember. After you're inside the Compose workspace, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Upload button. That's the standard way to begin adding audio to your project. If you prefer a faster method, you can also drag and drop your file directly into the workspace. Both options do the same thing, so you can use whichever feels easier. Next, choose the audio file from your computer. Producer.ai supports MP3 and M4A files, so make sure your audio is in one of those formats before you upload it. For the smoothest experience, it's also a good idea to use a smaller file, ideally under about 50 megabytes. Smaller files usually upload faster and process more reliably, which can save you time, especially if you're working quickly or testing different versions of a track. Once you've selected your file, give the platform a moment to upload and process it. The exact time can vary depending on your file size and internet speed, so just wait until the upload is fully complete. When processing finishes, your audio will appear inside the current project. From there, it becomes available for use with Producer AI's editing tools, which means you're ready to start shaping the track however you want. After the upload is done, you can decide what you want to do with the audio. For example, you can create a remix if you want to transform the feel of the original track. You can extend a song if you need a longer version, which is useful for intros, outros, or background music. You can also replace part of a track, which can help if you want to swap out a section without rebuilding everything from scratch. Another option is to create a vibe from your audio, which can help you use the uploaded material as the creative basis for new output. And where supported, you may also be able to swap vocals or instrumentals, giving you even more flexibility when editing. That's all it takes to upload audio in Producer AI. Once your file is in the project, you're ready to start creating, editing, and experimenting with the tools available in the Compose workspace.